Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Thato, and together with my team in Ntsika and Teboho, we'll be taking you through our capstone project titled Topic Modeling of the SDG Articles Using Machine Learning Techniques. In this presentation, we'll be taking you through an introduction, a purpose of our research, data description and pre-processing, as well as an SVD and LDA models that we've prepared. And finally, we'll take you through some visualizations that are also included in our Streamlit demo. Now, Sustainable Development Goals are a global partnership of countries in the development of the quality of life, whilst taking care and preserving the environment. Strategies that improve development need to be coupled with those that alleviate poverty, segregation, and other deprivations. Good strategies and policies are based on credible literature. Some of the Sustainable Development Goals include no poverty, quality education, and gender equality, etc. In order to understand the purpose of our project, you need to understand where it's coming from. The provided SDG dataset is classified according to various SDGs. However, the document search functionality does not provide good relevancy. The aim of the project is to provide an intuitive document search engine to maximize user experience through usability. We explore the improvement of these results through visualizations and topic models. We firstly obtained this dataset as a dump, which we loaded onto a Progress SQL. And after some further processing, we only achieved two tables that were of interest to us, namely the full research title and article ID tables. From here, I'll be handing over to Ntsika to take you through the rest of the presentation.
We'll use the SVD and cosine similarity matrix to train our model. The idea is to take the input keyword and reach to other related topics, which may not be obviously identified through a basic search. If we look at the results, we can see that we searched for the topmost similar words to health. And we can see that health belongs to SDG 15. We then picked the first topmost word, mental, and we performed a similar search. And we can see that mental also belongs to the same SDG 14 and 15. What we have seen is that most articles retrieved using the top similar words belong to the same SDG. Which is the results that we were expecting. We apply the LDA model to investigate the relationship between the different articles in our data set in relation to each word in our corpus. To validate our model, we refer to the data set and some insights obtained from the SVD model to see if the results match the data. The visual on our right side of the screen show the actual data, and we expect to see similar representation in the LDA topic model. It shows that SDGs 15, 5, 6, and 1 are the topmost dominant SDGs. This is also corroborated by the LDA model on the left side of our screen, where topics 1 to 4 cover the largest area on the map. The keyword health that was searched in the SVD model belonged to the dominant SDG. For example, SDG 15, and also belonged to the dominant topic, for example, topic 1 from the LDA model. One of the requirements from partner was to be able to view SDG articles publications over time, which I will present over a Streamlit demo. We have created a view that allows the users to view publications by SDG and institution over time. We had to limit the view using two filters because it was difficult to read the plot of all publishers and all universities because of the amount of data. Teboho will take us through the rest of the presentation.
I'll be taking you through the remainder of our presentation. Our LDA model can be trained on the Streamlit app, allowing for interactive engagement with the data for better understanding. Firstly, we created a word cloud for all articles, and from that, what we see is that the most used keywords relate to science, health, diseases, and human. Therefore, we can expect the majority of articles to include these keywords. To further understand the most dominant keywords in each topic, we created topic word clouds, in which, for example, we can see that in topic 5, keywords health, proteins, and adult are most frequent. This topic can be traced back to SDG 3, which explains which relates to good health and well-being. The remaining word clouds cover all other topics. Moving on, we also created low-dimensional projections in order to visually show what keywords from each related article are grouped together. For example, in topic 5, keywords used are predominantly focusing on cancer and diagnosis, allowing us to relate topic 5 back to SDG 3. This methodology can be applied and followed to other SDGs. This is a visualization that Ntsika explained earlier, which highlights the relationships in the topics. In conclusion, NLP concepts can be used as a mechanism to improve user experience by finding correlations between SDGs and topics. We thank you.